What's the meaning of arouse? Arouse. Arouse.
Arouse. Arouse. The term arouse can refer to the act of stimulating someone's interest, excitement, or sexual desire. The result of arousal can vary depending on the context in which it is used. For example, if someone is aroused sexually, they may experience physical sensations such as increased heart rate and blood flow, as well as heightened pleasure. In a non-sexual context, arousal may lead to increased motivation, focused attention, and a greater sense of alertness or awareness. Ultimately, the result of arousal is an increased state of physiological or psychological readiness.